How to withdraw money from Cryptomania. So first things first, this is an educational video, and unfortunately, you cannot withdraw money from Cryptomania. Any money that you create in Cryptomania is just a digital currency inside of the game. This Cryptomania is just a simulation on how it is to trade on a simulated environment, meaning everything that you're seeing here is not actually real. There's no real money, and there's no way for you to be able to actually earn any actual amount of money from Cryptomania. So that's a very important thing for you guys to understand, since you guys might try and think that you are able to withdraw or create actual money from Cryptomania. I'm just telling you now that is not possible. And this is just something that you play around with to learn how the crypto process works. And so you are not actually able to withdraw anything. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.